There are very few people who have better perspective on the importance of water to our prosperity than Captain James Clark, a geologist and environmental consultant in TDEC's Columbia Field Office. With 27 years of military experience, including deployments to Southwest Asia and Africa, and 17 years of service to Tennessee, James has dedicated his career to ensuring clean and reliable drinking water for communities, both at home and abroad.
Well, I've worked for the state for 17 years. I review groundwater reports, basically, the chemistry that's provided by the laboratories. And looking at that data, I can recognize where there could be a potential problem or groundwater impact. Back in the early 90s, I was in Desert Storm. As recent as 2011, I was part of the Operation Enduring Freedom and Operation Iraqi Freedom. When I was in Africa, we were there to provide drinking water to some of the remote areas in the world. I think water is the most important resource we have on Earth. We have to be careful that just because we have such an abundance of water, we don't need to lose the fact of how vulnerable our water is. That's one thing about the Columbia office. They're very good at connecting with the local population and getting on their playing field, bringing some of these environmental concerns to their attention so that the people that we're trying to reach understand the importance of changing some of the work practices. I'm also a farmer, by the way, and I try to put back into this great world we live in. I try to make the balance toward giving rather than taking. Working for TDEC gives me an opportunity to not only try to help our environment, but encourage others to do the same.